Good evening, students. Welcome back to the only Sri Chaitanya group. Myself, VS sir, and I am welcoming all you guys to be there for a long period of the times, and successfully you completed the bridge course. And I think you got lot of knowledge at this platform that is must required for you, because only whatever 2 to 3 hours you are giving on this course, that is going to play an important role in your life. Yes or no? That is very important. You know, the faculties which are taking classes, highly experienced. The platform which you are using, the only have unique name on this field especially. So that means you to be whatever things your teachers told you, just make a note of these things. And I think, okay, let us share something. You tell me, how was your this course? What you especially, you can say, received special message, the things which you getting from the this course? Yes, write in comment box. And today only, at least for me, you don't chat about like that, appu, no problem. You just do something special, miracle. Yes or no? So that I want to know my future coming generation, because you are the coming generation. Some of person you will be the super specialist doctor, some of will be leading the country after 10 to 15 years. So that's why I want to be, my India should be, you can say, shining star, you to be very shining star. So that's why always be creative. Not be like that you are only, see whatever comments you are doing, chatting is doing, that is not your thought process, that is social media thought process. Now what is happening, whatever you are, you can say, watching mobile, movies, that all things you are going to represent on comment box. But that is not everything is right. See, that is the problem with this generation. See, if your teacher is saying, dear student, this is not right, you are not taking it very seriously. But any Bollywood star, any other star is saying, it means that is serious matter. Dear student, your teachers are your second parents. Always respect them. So that's why not only matter of respecting, that is for your betterment. That is the main thing. So that's why you to be very honest. Yes, sir, you are the best. Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, thank you. You people also. E equal to MC square was the best concept. Very good. And E equal to MC square is my favorite research field. You know, E energy and M mass means to say whatever things we are doing, we are mass. That is going to be sometime in energy. I was a very brilliant student of this field, that is cosmic energy. I have done research on that part before 20 years with international level. Yes or no? So that is also my, really I believe that there is something, whatever wishes, whatever energy, whatever things you are putting as per mass, because we are mass, that mass is going to be the cosmos, that is particular, you can say, energy, and that is E equal to MC square. Still lot of research is pending on this field. Einstein has done lot of things. Yes, and with due respect, he has done extremely well in this, but still lot of things to become. Okay, dear students, I think as per your comments is concerns, you enjoyed the course, learned lot of things. So let us conclude this course today. I am going to let me finish whatever things left in whatever topic we are going to study, that is dimensions application. Very important, because that is important one. We already discussed dimension, then we should study the application of the dimensions. After that we will discuss about all these things. Sir, when the college will open? Yeah, college is always open. Sri Chaitanya group is always open for you. You can come in this, you can say, various center, especially Gosala branch. That is the best as per my concern. I am working there. And the atmosphere is really very good, excellent, discipline is very good, taking care of the students is the best as per my concern, and you can say the faculties are the best, rank producers, and already that is being happening year by year. So that's why everything is very good. You can come any time. Yes, meet to me also, no problem. Meet to your teachers also. Sir, I will come tomorrow. Yeah, definitely. Tomorrow, or you can say you can plan on next week, no problem. Yes, sure. Tomorrow I think you people don't have, but our major mission, that is NEET exam, is also there. June 2, sir. Yes, June 2. Yeah, the classes when will be started, but before that you should take the admissions, all the requirements. You should decide. Yes or no, the whole things should be clear before classes. So I think batches will be, don't have complete information about batches, but I think at the starting only, yes or no, in this May and June month only. So that's why those students who have taken decisions, most welcome for them, and those not taken decisions, take decision as soon as possible. That will be beneficial for you, because if you want to do something, then don't delay for a single day. Yes, so you can take time to decide, but don't delay, because otherwise what you are doing, ideal mind is always, you can say, thinking negative things. Don't keep your mind, you can say, free. Reason is that mind is very dangerous thing. What it is going to be when we are trying to get up early in the morning, your mind is just say, no, sleep for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, and that 2 minutes will be converted into 2 hours. When we are going to study, our mind will say, no, we'll study after 5 minutes, let us chat for 5 minutes. That means mind is very dangerous. That's why control your mind, control your emotions, because whatever you want to be in life, which state, sir, are you, sir? Yeah, I am from India only, yes or no, don't be worried. That is state, it doesn't matter what state we are Indians, yes, all are Indians, yani on platforms, and as a teacher is, you can say, completely for every students. For teacher, state doesn't matter. Okay, dear student, let us start today. Then we will chat. After that, I will tell you from where, and you don't think that I am not understanding your Telugu. Whatever chatting you were doing, I know. Sometimes I find that I am only, you can say, neglecting your chats. What types of the chatting you are doing, Neni, Nanu, what is this? No. Okay, let us come to the next point. What is that? Today's topic is very important. Applications of the dimensions. Let us start. Done. Yeah, let us start. For sometimes be serious. Then after that, we will have fun for 10 to 15 days for your betterment. Not my fun is also like that, relevant to your career only. Fun means so that you will be comfortable with me. Yes or no, when you will come to center, yeah, we can have fun also. Don't feel fun is also to be part of life, but there are some method to be fun. Fun should not be like that we are indisciplined and we are, you can say, spoiling our habits. You know, dear students, habits are the things which are day by day reflecting our career, our life, everything, our family also. So that's why always, if you are unable to make good habits, at least don't go towards the bad habits. That is very bad things. You be neutral, then it's okay. So that's why, okay, let us start, dear student. So we have discussed dimensions. Dimensions means the quantities to represent in the form of fundamental quantities. 7 fundamental quantity we already discussed. In yesterday's class, we have discussed various types of the specific quantities. I think some of the quantities you don't know, you don't have idea about that quantity, but that is important that you will study in your later course, in the sense your first year physics and second year physics, you know, so that you will discuss. Don't be worried about that quantities. You should have a basic idea of this types of the quantity we are going to study. Now today we are going to discuss very important part, that is application of dimensions. So let us start. What is applications? Very important. You can say one question from this part. What applications of the dimensions? What is the application of dimensions? The first application, that is very important. What is that? By using dimensions, we can check correctness of an equation. That means to check, first application is to check correctness. Which correctness? Dimensional correctness of equation. Any equation, any formula, yes or no? Second application is, what is that? To derive formula for physical quantity. Dimensional formula. Derive formula for physical quantities. Third is to convert a physical quantity from one system of unit to the another. That means convert from one system of unit to another. So let us start. And these all three you can find. One application definitely will be asked in your exam. Most of the time it has been observed from check the correctness or derive formula. These are two are very, very important. So let us start. Let us start without check the correctness equation. For that, what you need to know, for that one principle, that is called principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity in the sense, two quantities, listen very carefully, two quantities can be added or subtracted when they are having same dimensions. Okay, I repeat statement. Two quantity means to say if A and B are two physical quantity, these quantity can be add or can be subtract only when, you tell me fast, yes, when dimensions of A, when dimensions of A equal to dimensions of B, equal to dimensions of, means to say you can say reverse also, if two quantities having different dimensions, we can't add them. This is against the law of physics. That's what, we can't subtract them. Yes, we can multiply them, but we can't. Just like mass and acceleration is the force multiplied. That is applicable. But you can't add mass plus acceleration. You have never seen mass plus acceleration. This is not the physics part. Against the physics. Mass plus velocity, no. Acceleration plus velocity, these all are wrong. That means acceleration will be added into the same dimensions part only. Very, very important. Are you getting it? This is called principle of homogeneity. So one rule is this one, which topic we are discussing right now. Our topic is to you can say check correctness of equation. In that sub part is that how to check. For that, one thing you need to check, what is that? Two quantities are added or subtracted when they have same dimensions. Second rule that you know, whatever formula is given, for that it is necessary that dimensions of left hand side, equal to dimensions of right hand side. Very important. That means this is, if you know these two rules, we are able to check the correctness, dimensional correctness of that equations. Which two rules? Left hand side dimension equal to right hand side dimensions, and second ones, if addition and subtraction is there, you have to check both the quantity which are to be added or subtracted having the same dimensions. Okay, let us start checking by questions so that you can get better idea on this topic. Okay, dear student, let us start. I am giving you some equations and we will check its dimensional correctness. See, you know that this equation V equal to U plus AT. Is it dimensionally correct or incorrect? How to check? I think this is very simple task I am giving you. What is that, sir? One rule is that two quantity addition is there. What we have to choose? These are added only when having same dimensions. What is the dimensions of this one? This is L1 T minus 1. What is dimension of this part? This is L1 T minus 2. That means, can I say like that only? Both are having same dimension. That means this rule is okay. One rule, addition rule is okay. Now what is second rule? See, if both the quantity having same dimension, that means RHS dimension is L1 T minus 1. What is this dimension? This is also same, L1 T minus 1. That means this equation is dimensionally correct. Very simple task. Okay, still if you are not getting, let us take one more example. S equal to ut plus at square. Is this equation is wrong or right? Very important, you tell me fast. S equal to ut plus at square is wrong or right? Definitely this is wrong. Reason, you know that S equal to ut plus half at square is there, sir. But if I ask you that, is this equation is dimensionally correct or incorrect? That means this equation is dimensionally correct, but numerically incorrect, mathematically incorrect. So how to check that? Means mathematical correctness is different thing, dimensional correctness is different thing. So that means what is our topic? Our topic is to find dimensional correctness of the equation, not the mathematical correctness of the equation. So what is that? Okay, let us check. As for length, length means L1, U into T for, yes, this itself is also length, length in the sense displacement, U for L1 T minus 1 and T for T1, T plus 1, T minus 1 cancel, this is going to be T1 only. What is this? This is L1 T minus 2, this is T plus 2, again cancel. What it is going to be? This is again, see, sorry, this is not T1, L1, yes or no? This is L1. See, two quantity are added because their dimensions are L1 and L1, means are same dimensions. Left hand dimension equal to right hand dimension, correct. That means this equation is dimensionally correct. But we know that mathematically not correct. That means that is weakness. Yes, so that limitations of the dimensions, that we can check dimensional correctness, but it's not going to tell us the numerical correctness of the equations. So that means you can write the statement also. This equation, above equation, we have written above equation is dimensionally correct, but mathematically incorrect. I think clear to all of you. Yes or no? That means that is limitation is also there. Okay, let us take some more examples and some questions which is being asked in your NEET exam. Let us take one example. Take one question so that you are able to find. If I am giving you question, x is displacement. X stands for length or displacement. That is equal to 80 A into T plus B. This equation is given, random equation, where x is length or displacement, A and B are constant, and T is time. So if this equation is dimensionally correct, find dimensions of A and B. Find dimensions of A and B. What is the A and B dimensions? You tell me, dear students. Okay, solve it. What to check? LHS dimension is equal to RHS, and second one, two quantities are only added or subtracted when they are having same dimensions. Nenu, Vinita, Ni, what is this? Okay, let us move. What is the answer? Yeah. Still no answer is there. I think today you are not in study mode. Yaswant, yes, no audio call, bad manners. Sonali, no. A and B is U. A is A and B is U. No, wrong. Wrong. Done. Okay. Find dimensions of A and B means, let us how to solve. First you will take dimension, left hand side is given, that is L1. That means right hand dimension should be L1 only. You can say dimensions of A and T should be L1. Dimensions of A should be L1 divided by T1. That is going to be L1 T minus 1. Very important. Dimension of A is going to be L1 T minus 1. Yeah, very good. Someone write that the dimension of U. U means velocity. Yes, very good, dear student. Who is Done? Done is written that. Good, Done, you were right. But I didn't get your answer correctly. That's why. Okay, second one, B dimension, how to calculate, you know, B itself is added with this quantity. This is L1 only. So directly you can say this is length. Very good. B having dimension length and A having dimension, that is given. Done. Okay. Very good, Khalil. Khalil, yes, you are always giving right answer. Very good, Khalil. Continue this consistency. Most of the time I have seen that you have given most of the questions Answer right. Very good, Khalil. Done. Okay, let us solve some more question on this concept. Let me check whether I am having some questions or not on this topic. Okay, see, you try to solve this question. The dimensions of A and B in the equation A minus T square divided by Bx, where P is the pressure, X is the distance and T is the time R. Yes, this is very beautiful question as per NEET standard only. Try to solve this question. And those who will solve these questions, definitely I will give prize to them. Yeah, maybe gold medal. Sir, speak in Telugu. Don't worry, I know Telugu, but I will not speak. Yes, anything else? See, language doesn't matter. My language is physics. So you try to understand the physics. A, T, B, I think everything is mentioned. Which option? 3, 3, 3. Everyone got 3. Means that means 3 is the right option. Okay, let me check. How to calculate? See, first rule is LHS equal to RHS. LHS is force upon area. So let us calculate. Force upon area, you know that force is M1 L1 T minus 2 divided by area is L2. That means LHS dimension is M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. This is LHS dimension. What is RHS dimension? Should be same. So for that you can say A minus T square divided by Bx should have same dimension of pressure. Okay, dear students, see, A is subtracted to T square. That means one thing is very clear. Dimension of A is going to be T square. Getting it? Now see, these quantities are divided, means this is T square, both the dimension, divided by Bx. Yani T square divided by Bx, dimension is going to be pressure, means M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. What we need? Dimension of B. Take B this side and you will get your answer. B equal to, what is that? Can I directly solve? B is this side, yes or no? And this is T square divided by X. X is distance. So, or you can say B equal to 2 more terms. This is L minus 1 and T2. L minus 1 and T2. This is due to these two terms. And this is going this side. That means divided by M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. So, this dimension is going to be, or what it is asking? A by B it is asking. I think no need to solve this completely also, because A is T square, yes or no, and divided by B, A divided by B, A by B dimension equal to pressure into length. Simple way, directly. See, shortcut, what is that? Sir, A divided by Bx should be equal to pressure. I think now you are getting this is trick. So in that way we can say directly, because A and B separate dimension, if it is asking, then we will solve by this method. Otherwise A by Bx, yes or no, this is pressure. That means we can say A divided by B is going to be pressure into X, means pressure into length. And what is that? M1, pressure is M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. L1 is added in the sense what it will be? M1 and T minus 2. L will not be there, L0. First option is the right option, yes, not third option. Now first option is the right option. That means those who are giving third option, they were wrong. Yes or no? So simple way is wherever you are getting main concept, and that is only possible, dear student, when you practice more. These are only game of practice only. That's why try to learn physics like a game. Whenever you solving the questions, just play with the questions. Then only you will find excitement in physics. Okay, let us do some more questions. I think you are enjoying this type of question. Okay, tell me, student, which of following operation is possible? Very important. Two physical quantity A and B have different dimensions, which mathematical operations given below is physically possible. Which of following is physically possible in the sense dimensionally possible condition? Which one of following in this equation? Okay, which one? Okay, let us discuss. See, you know, if A and B having same dimension, then only they can add. That means this is impossible, because different dimensions, that means two quantities cannot be added. A minus B, not possible for different dimensions. What's about this one? This is also very, you can say, logical question. When you solve, this is going to A plus AB. See, A having different dimensions and A and B having a different dimension, that this operation is also not possible. Which one? Under root AB is possible. Root AB, there is no problem. So root AB is different type of the operation. It can be possible. So which option? First option is possible. Any other option is not physically possible. Very important. See how much logical question is this one. Yes, very good. Most of the students getting first. Khalil, Fez, yes again. Durga, wrong. Sai Kumar Reddy, yes, once, right. Mogal Afseen, 1, yes, right. Vijay Kumari, 1, yes, sir, okay. That means okay. Let us move to the next question. See, this types of the question you will find more in your, see, what is this? Which of following equation is dimensionally incorrect? See, this is very good question. I think visible to you all, not very clearly, but I think you are able to find. Where E is energy, U is potential energy, P is momentum, mass, V is speed. Which of following is correct or incorrect? Incorrect it is asking. Dimensionally incorrect equation. Which one is that? E energy, U is potential energy. That means E and U can be equal. Yes or no? Because both are energy. What's about P square by M, P square by 2M? And dimensionally you have to check, not mathematically. Some equations may be mathematically wrong but dimensionally correct. Because dimensional correctness doesn't guarantee that it is numerically also correct. We can't say anything about numerical condition. See, what is the relation? E is energy, U is the energy, and directly I know that P is momentum, M is mass. This is the energy dimension only. You can check. So this is possible dimension, possible formula. See, energy, energy, energy. It's okay. This one, mv square energy, kinetic energy, P square by M energy. This is energy. This is also possible. Energy. See, I am not having attention on this numerical value. I am only interested in dimensions. U and mv square. This is also energy only. This is U. See, P square by everything is missing. So this is the, which one? Incorrect or correct? Incorrect equation. This is dimensionally incorrect, physically incorrect equation. Getting it or not? So this types of the question. See, okay, I remember one of the NEET question that is being asked in your exam. Let me give you, is there in slide or I have to write that question? That is not in slide, but I know that which types of the question was there. See, and once in NEET exam, what they have been asked, they have given one equation P plus P for pressure, A1 constant, V for volume, P plus A by V square, V minus B equal to RT. This equation we will study in our chapter KTG, kinetic theory of gases, in thermal physics. Don't be worried. When you come to our center, we will discuss these types of the equations when we will discuss the thermal physics. This equation is given. What you have to calculate, it is mentioned that this equation is dimensionally correct. This is given in question. Then find dimensions of A and B. What is the dimensions of, this is exam question, dear student, dimensions of A and B. Tell me fast. I am giving you option. You do it or try to do it right. First is given as M1, means first dimension is A dimension, L5 T minus 2 and L1 T minus 1. Second option, this is A dimension, second one is B dimension. This is M1 L minus 1 T minus 2 L3. Third option means C option is M1 L5 T minus 2 L3. D option is M1 L6 T minus 2 and L3. What you have to find, which of following is the dimensions of A and B, and what is given. P is pressure, P for pressure, V for volume, V for volume. P is pressure, not momentum, and V is volume. P is pressure and V is volume. Done? What is the answer? Yeah, most of the getting C. Very good. Yeah, really, my soldiers are very brilliant. Brilliant, we are soldier. Very good. I'm not expecting that. Yes, you do this question right, because this is really very standard question. And this is NEET question directly. The most standard question in unit and dimensions. Dear student, this equation is real gas equation given by the scientist van der Waals. And as per van der Waals, there is some correction in pressure. Really, when we are talking about pressure, nothing is ideal gas in this universe. That's why it is given that there are the some. This is very interesting topic also. Okay, that we will study and having fun. Don't be worried. See, whenever we discuss fluid dynamics, we will learn how to fly an aircraft, how to take off, how to landing, jet fly. When we are discuss about the sound waves, we will discuss about sonic, supersonic aircraft like MiG, how it is flying. Nowadays, you can say number of Mirage, number of aircrafts are there. How aircraft fly, completely fluid mechanics. How you walk, why our shoes are torn out in every year, friction. Yes or no, work, whatever we are doing, but we are not getting proper result, work, power and energy. So everything is relevant to life in physics only. That's why physics is specially study of nature only. Study of natural phenomena. Okay, hello sir. Hemant, yes, hello Hemant. Why you are so late? You are, hello, that time. Pressure is, how to calculate dimension? We can say dimensions of A is A by V square equal to pressure. That means A is P into V square. Dimension of P you already know, M1, L minus 1, T minus 2. And V is L power 3 and square, L power 6. Means this is L power 6. When you conclude, this is M1, L power 5, T minus 2. So this is given in number of options, and B and V are multiplied, means added. V and B are adding, that means having same dimensions. So what is the dimensions of B? That is L power 3. So that means which option is the right option? M1, L5, T minus 2 and L3. Yes or no? C option is the right option. I think you getting this information and sufficient for today's class. Now let us discuss something. What's about this course, what you have learned, why this course is being designed, what benefit you received from this course. Yeah, tell me in comment box. Now you can leave your this chatting for some time and let us talk with your teacher. Yes. How was experience you faced? Sir, I am from Vasishta Bhavan. Yeah, Vasishta Bhavan. Khalil Faiz. Yes, very good. Khalil, I remember you because your name is on my mouth. Yes, sir. Malika Arjun Rao. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir is okay. How was the experience? Excellent teaching, sir. Teaching is okay. I am not talking about my teaching and all. That is, I know that whatever I am doing from last 20 years. But what I am talking, I no need my appreciation. I want that what you have received. My sir, you are my favorite IPL team. Why IPL? Yeah, don't give me that type of the name. I am really not have so much respect for all these things. Yes, yes or no? These are business. The people are only why you are running behind all these conditions. Everyday cricket, no use of the match. Whatever things are excessive, no. Whenever okay, leave this topic. This is wrong topic. Don't add this IPL and all these name in this comment box. You know, Sri Chaitanya is purely disciplined organization. The organization which always talking about the betterment of the students. That you should know. Yes or no? Sir, you are retired Navy. You are a very good. Post 911 GRS. Why? How do you know? Very good post. Yes, means I was in Navy. Definitely I was in Indian Navy. Yes, in Vizag also I was posted. Yes, I understand, sir. Yes, very good. Gahita, don't take it seriously. It's for your, thank you, sir. Thank you. That is okay. Sir, in college, sports are there. Yes, definitely we will play together. Don't be worried. And for the sports is concerned, our, you can say, Dean, sir, Gandhi, sir. Yeah, Gandhi Garu. He is really, you can say, I think, national champion, or I don't know exactly about that, but badminton, you can say, national coach as well as player is also there. When you will come, you will find, and he is really very nice person, and you should say thank to Gandhi sir. This course is only, you can say, possible with energy, with efforts of sir. Sir have putting lot of efforts on this course. Yes or no? Like you are watching, sir also watching, that everything should be go for betterment of the students only. Yes or no? So that's why, first of all, I also want to thank Gandhi sir. They have designed this course so beautifully to the betterment of the students. Second one, you should say thanks to the Sri Chaitanya group, because we all are due to that group only. Because that made lot of things. This is looking only one word, Sri Chaitanya, but where long efforts are required. That's long efforts which giving you the facility free of cost. Yes or no? Whatever things you are received from last 25 days or 20 days, that was really excellent. In my whole career, first time I have seen that. Before coming to your course, you are able to know what you are going to do in this 2 years spam time period. Yes or no? So that's why take it very seriously. This is really, I think you should take advantage from that and decide it whenever you coming to the center. Definitely we will be there for you. Done. When college is going to open, sir, I think that is going to open only. Your courses maybe start in this May and June, that you can come to the center and confirm that part. You have given a good knowledge. Okay, thank you. Yeah, you should take. That is not sufficient. Yeah, we need lot of things. This is only, you can say, demo only for you. These things we are going to discuss. Otherwise, in physics, when we will going in deep. Super, sir, but I don't know. What don't know? Okay, when college is okay, most of the students, super, sir. Okay, super. Okay, bye. Okay, and one more thing that I am going to very thank you to my team, our team, not my team, our team who is, you can say, working behind the camera. Yes, I want to, yeah, one my Sudhir sir, Krishna sir, who is also working. Yes or no? That means very good to say yes, just yes. Done? Okay. Okay, dear student, thank you. Physics fire, yeah, physics fire is very important. So I think you enjoyed the session and everything was as per your betterment. Whatever things you are going to do in your life, always I am telling you, put your most effort on that part. Most effort. Bye, sir. From my side, I always wishing you the best for your career ahead, that you should be rock in your whatever field you choose. But thing is that be in discipline, dear student. Right now, what is going on? That is, I think, not good for students. Whatever social media is running, all these things, you have to be, you can say, very disciplined and always, you can say, behind the knowledge only. That's why I always try to get good knowledge, good ethics. Yes or no? And always connected with your elders, your parents. Always try to, whoever person is successful in your family, wherever they are, try to sit with them. Yes, your teaching is very nice. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, dear student, keep continue. From my side also, thank you very much that you have taken so much interest, and you are so, you can say, innocent and cute, you can say, students, that yeah, I definitely will missing you, and when you will come, we'll meet. Yeah, no phone is allowed. We will meet when you are coming to the center. Okay, dear student, thank you very much. Bye-bye. Jai Hind.